Let us think, which is very important thing in our life, that each and every creation is having some aim. When we are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation here, whatever discussion, philosophy and principle I give to you, it is for you, according to the congregation, according to this ideal gathering. A collective idea is generated. What I have to tell today. If put me in separate place in the village or in the university, in technology class or in medical class, this same philosophy and principle will be given in different way. Therefore here I cannot explain anything what I want to explain. Here I explain only those things which you can understand it. Therefore let us come to this point. Each and every creation is having its own aim. What is our aim of life? You see, many realized masters, ascended masters, prophet, all have explained it, that we human beings are having only one aim, God alone. What does it mean? God alone means there is no distance between me and God. If God is infinite and my existence is little, if I am one with the infinite, then this limitation disappears. As a glass of water is there, try to pour this water in the ocean, then what you will say? This is ocean water. You will not say this is a glass of water inside. You will say this is ocean. If I and God are one, there is no space in between, then what is the reality? God alone exists. Okay, all right, this is our aim of life, to realize this. Then how to realize this? There are many practices available in this universe. Many kind of worship, many kind of ritual, many kind of teaching. But it is scientifically proved by all realized masters and by many devotees that Kriya Yoga meditation is the highest, easiest and is the best and fastest, the royal way to experience this truth, God is alone. Okay, all right, we accepted. Now we are ready to practice Kriya Yoga meditation. How to practice it? What is Kriya Yoga meditation? I become good speaker about Kriya Yoga meditation. I can speak hours together non-stop. But still, Kriya Yoga is more and more. More and more is explained in Vedas. Neti neti. Na iti na iti. Means it is more and more. Now it is very clear that if Kriya Yoga is the fastest, easiest and royal way to bring this realization that our aim is to experience God alone. Now we realize how to practice Kriya Yoga meditation with the philosophy more and more, more and more. Then how to get more and more? Never miss the practice. Every day you have to practice. Okay, all right, we have decided. We will never miss the practice. Then try to practice in such a way that we must be able to practice in deep sleep, in dream, in awake stage, in working, in resting. How to practice all the time. As we have learned how to breathe all the time. When I was a stone, I was not knowing how to breathe all the time. When somebody was hammering on me, then I started breathing, oh God save me. But all the time I was not knowing how to breathe. But from stone, when I am transformed in the form of human being, now I learn how to breathe all the time. When I am in deep sleep, when I am dreaming, when I am in awake stage, working or resting, I have learned how to breathe all the time. Exactly in the same way, practice Kriya Yoga more and more, more and more. One day we will realize that we are able to practice it all the time. When we are able to practice all the time, then how long we have to practice it? Remember, more and more, never ending. Then one day we will realize singularity. Singularity means only one eternal element exists, God alone. There is no any space distance between me and God. If there is no space distance between me and God, then me is very little and God is infinite. Me and God, if one together, then me disappears in God. Like a wave of the ocean is one with the ocean. If wave merges with the ocean, then you see only ocean, there is no wave. Therefore, keep on practicing more and more and remember these 4 points. Aim of life, God alone. Then how to feel God alone? Practice Kriya as a God. Accept Kriya as a God. I will not leave God. I will practice Kriya all the time, in sleep, in dream, in awake stage. Okay, all right. I have decided. I accepted Kriya is God. Then how to practice with this philosophy more and more? It is infinite. Then one day we will reach singularity, that I and God are one. We are very, very fortunate that we are in congregation. We are practicing Kriya Yoga together. This is so nice spiritual family. We are very, very fortunate to be here, and we are practicing at the holy bank of Ganga under the Mahavatar Baba banyan tree. This place is blessed by presence of Mahavatar Babaji. Mahavatar Baba just blessed Swami Teswagiri here. When Swami Teswagiri just touched the feet of Mahavatar Babaji, his all inner power get awakened. He experiences the past, present, future, all the things. Therefore, we are very, very fortunate that we are here and practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation and bow down to this holy congregation.